Absolutely delicious, this one. I always get lots of compliments for it. It's beautifully simple, and it's made even simpler by the fact that I use a jar of ready-made creamed horseradish sauce, so the soup is strongly flavored. The horseradish balances sweetness of beets to perfection, and it's great for all seasons, really. I'm gonna chill this soup very well and serve it cold tonight to my guests, as we are in the middle of summer and the hot spell of weather, but of course it will work as a regular hot soup for winter too. I have lovely, very fresh summer beetroots here. You can see that the green leaves attached to the stalks are still very fresh and green. I'm gonna use the stalks and little pieces of leaves, and nothing is going to be wasted, and even the stalks left from the previous batch of beets are going in as well. I pick the stalks and I'm gonna cook them first a little bit along with 1 medium onion. I cook the onions first gently a little bit, and then I would add my chopped stalks and cook them too with olive oil on a low heat to create some sort of a base. Meanwhile, I will quickly peel and chop my beets in quite small pieces to speed up the cooking. Once the base for the soup is ready, more or less everything is reduced and wilted, I would plonk my chopped beetroot in, and I would add boiling water, as I always do, to speed the things up. Salt I would add carefully, as the horseradish sauce is gonna be salty. The horseradish sauce I have here is the best quality I can get. It has, apart from the horseradish, cream, vinegar, lemon juice, and some sugar. So if I won't be able to get one, I would just play with vinegar, cream, horseradish itself, maybe sugar. Of course, beets are sweet already. Aiming for a strong tasting soup here, but I'm not adding all jar at once. Just gradually I blend it and I taste it. But eventually I actually use entire jar. I even rinsed it, and it was just a perfect balance at the end. Of course, bread croutons will be very nice here. I serve this soup with boiled cubed potatoes and some dill. Some sour cream. Cream goes beautifully here. I've diluted creme fraiche with some milk here to make this lovely pattern.